We want one, right?
Yeah. Tell them what we just did, though.
We just hid the key of the car.
Oh no, we drove the car over here
To the airport for Allie and my mom.
We're trying to find a terminal to go to so
We can get picked up.
travelers.
There's no parking. We can't park here. We have to keep walking.
What?
It says no parking. That means we can't park here. Come on, we gotta keep going. We can't park our butts there.
Zoe! Tell them what your GPS was.
It's the boy band. Turn left, turn right. Yes.
It was a little creepy. Yeah, pull it up a bit. A little claustrophobic right now.
This is gonna be fun. I know. I'm waiting for you guys to put on your seatbelts.
I smoked them. What'd you get?
Yeah, nothing.
Nothing? Grab.
Grandma.
What did you get?
I got let's see, it's called a vanilla bean cream. So I've never had one before, but I'm really excited.
I'm gonna try everybody else's.
Oh, okay. Zoe and I got the
Ultra caramel frappuccino.
yeah.
If I take... Do you want one of those, Dad?
No.
That's the way to do it.
That's probably good.
That's up Grandpa's alley.
It's more your style.
Grandma, a bird hit a window. And his grandpa said he literally got shit knocked out of him.
Oh, poor
So this is our grandparents'
The Gary Cindy Wagaman
cabin. Yeah, okay. Look, those trees have gotten so big. And Grandpa built
fire.
these stools or these benches. He remodeled that, but he built this shed. And we're also gonna split these logs for their winter wood. Next to the shed is a cabin our grandfather built for us when we were, how old are we?
I was younger than 6. 'Cause
It's
we
so
were
cute
little.
under this big old pine tree. And we
Yeah,
used to
you see
come
these
out here
guys?
all the time and play in it.
I'm very terrified.
There's usually spiders. You go first. I can't.
I'm not going in there.
Zoe, go in there.
Who said I was going in there?
I want you to go in there.
No, thank you.
Ah, I want to see what we wrote. So up here, it says, we received this cabin on July 2nd, 2009. Abigail, Isabel, Allie, Zoe.
Look, I was 7.
Abigail was 10, I was 9, Allie was 8, Zoe was 7.
I was 8? No. Almost.
So those Izzy things have been there when the cabin was built. Allie and I made these curtains for the window, which is right here. We used to open it up, but
We had fun
it's
memories.
a cute little cabin. Tell them what SCS stands for.
Soto Coro Smith.
Yep. Zoe.
Hi.
Sometimes he'll bring the horses out here, and he either locks them in there or over here. This is the cabin on the outside. This is their property. All over here. You first see the kitchen, and then over here is the living room and the stove. So this is the master bedroom, and it has 2 queens and a big closet. This is the
Teeny bathroom.
yeah, it's not that small. And then this is where we sleep. There's a twin bed here, and up here.
And Grandpa built it.
Yeah, and then there's a washer and dryer over here. And then we have a porch in the back where we usually have picnics back here. But this time we ate in the front. Birds build their nests. So there's a nest right here, right there, another one right there, and right there. Hazel?
No.
Our grandmother's an artist and she painted that. And that. And that one.
We are going huckleberry picking. Where are we going, Grandpa, to go huckleberry picking?
Up by Louis Lake.
So we're gonna go huckleberry picking, and then at one point we're gonna go into McCall and go shopping because Grandma forgot the fridge stuff.
Grocery shopping.
Yeah.
And tomorrow morning we're gonna make huckleberry pancakes. And we brought an ice cream maker with us, so we're probably gonna make huckleberry ice cream as well. You guys almost ready?
I believe so.
The Hamilton mixtape.
The Hamilton. Who remixes it?
I
Sia.
Okay.
don't know.
Can you guys go? Come on,
She remixed
Get in the back.
Hamilton.
please.
We're
Chop,
stuck
chop.
in the back because some people claim they're bigger than others. But is that true? I don't know.
No.
There is literally
Isabel,
no leg room.
I understand.
Sorry. Ooh, it's so dusty. So these are not blueberries, but huckleberries. They taste very different, and they're way better than blueberries.
Yes, this is what happens
It's a little
in the
forest.
forest floor. Do you see how it's recreated
Yeah.
from the decay of whatever?
Look at
The
all these
dust of the
babies.
ground. Yeah, this is, they start seeding
That's
and
like
they start coming up because of all the nutrition from that old. See how you can
it's
gain?
growing in a pine tree.
Yep, it's growing in a pine tree. There's what. Hi there.
Hi.